In this video we're going to take a look at importing static asset data. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we have the asset type defined for the type of assets that we want to import. In this case we're going to be looking to import mobile devices and smartphones specifically. Once that type's in place, we can just verify that we don't currently have any mobile devices in our asset repository, so we're going to go ahead and bring those in. So we're going to choose the upload asset option. We're then going to come in and specify that we want to upload the mobile device. On doing so, this enables me to download the mobile specific template file. So we'll go ahead and download that. If we open up that file, we can see that the attributes for that particular class include all the shared generic attributes, and if we scroll along we can also then see we're going to get to the more mobile specific attributes, which include things like capacity, CPU, MAC address, SIM number, phone number, etc, etc. So we'll go ahead and complete and populate that file with the relevant attributes that we need, which is going to include class, type, name, amongst others. Once we've got that file saved, and say we've got site information, we've got user information, we've also got the mobile phone number, the model, manufacturer, etc. We come back to our upload section, and what we're going to do first is actually put some validation on here to make sure that no mobiles exist with that phone number already in our asset repository. So we'll select done. Next we're going to go ahead and choose the CSV that we've created and populated, and on clicking done, this will then go ahead and try and import those items. So we can see here that actually we run into an issue immediately, and it's going to tell us for the two iPhones that we were looking to import here, there are errors. And in fact what we've forgotten to do here is actually specify the type of asset that we actually wanted to bring in. So if we come back up to our spreadsheet, and we'll go ahead and populate that information. So we'll find our type here, and we'll just populate that with the type. So these are going to be smartphones, so we'll go ahead and put smartphone in, smartphone again, and we'll save that. And if we come back up and attempt that import again, so we'll go ahead, mobile device, again make sure our validation is set, and we'll go ahead and run that import. This time we can see that the two records were successfully imported, and if we go ahead and have a look at our manage assets, we can come and have a look at our mobile device, and we can see that the iPhone 1 and 2 have been correctly imported, attributed to the relevant owner, the relevant site, and the relevant details that we've populated. If we just come back for a second and go back to our upload asset option and attempt to re-import those items, and again do the validation against the phone number, we'll go ahead and select the mobile devices CSV, and again here we can see that on trying to import effectively the same phones with the same numbers, it's going to reject those and let me know the reasons for the rejection.